Welcome to Optimum, your gateway to self-improvement and empowerment. This video is just a minute intervention before the first episode of Mastering the 7. In this instance, I would like to introduce you to the Optimum Guidebook. It is essentially a notebook where you will write down the lessons that you learn in my videos. I intend on doing many more series other than Mastering the 7, so in order to better learn from them, writing the numerous lessons that are taught in my videos. After a certain period of time, you will notice the sequential nature of my series. Such is not done by coincidence, as I carefully decide what video comes first in order to optimize the learning process of the viewer. Now, I will teach you how to make this notebook. Step number 1 would be the titling of this book. On the front cover, write Optimum Guidebook. If such action is not possible either due to the cover being solid, then said titling should be done on the interior of the book in the first page. Step number 2 would be the creation of the blurb. On the back of the book, write the blurb OG which I am about to say. If writing it on the back of the book is not possible for one reason or another, then go to the last page of the book and turn the book upside down. Now write it in said page. Write the following. Embark on a transformative journey with this comprehensive guidebook, where the profound wisdom and invaluable lessons imparted by are meticulously recorded. Delve into a treasure trove of knowledge, insights, and practical advice, meticulously curated to elevate your mind, body, and soul. Immerse yourself in the intricate tapestry of life's teachings, woven with passion, clarity, and wisdom. Uncover the secrets to unlocking your true potential and leading a fulfilling, purpose-driven life. Let this guide be your compass on the path to personal growth, self-discovery, and ultimate success. Now that you have written this, all that is left to do is to explain how the guidebook functions. For the first series, write the following in the page after first one, Series 1, Mastering the 7. Now write lesson number 1, How to Conquer Lust, right underneath the title. You should repeat this process with every new lesson. For instance, if the second video were to be about the sin of pride, you should write lesson number 2, Conquering Pride, and when the series comes to an end and that a new one is to be initiated, then you should write a new title. Don't make any complicated phrases. Use keywords to form simple phrases that you can easily understand whilst you're being tempted by a sin like lust. And that is it. A new video is coming very soon after this one at midnight. Good luck, bro.